This is the Risco Elegant Touch keypad. A fantastic keypad, but quite bright at night time. So if you've got this in your bedroom and this is a problem to you, I'm just about to show you how you can adjust these settings so that it doesn't disturb your sleep at night. So this is how you'd view it normally at night time in the default setting. I'll put the light back on now just so that I can make these adjustments. Okay, so the first thing that we want to do is to go into the configuration. So we are going to press and hold the tick button here. And now we will get the 3 bars of adjustment. So the top bar is the actual default lighting position. So what you saw before was how it was set. And you can see it's basically at the midpoint there. The next one down is the contrast, and then the final one is the sounds. So the one that we're trying to adjust is the top one. So we're going to hit the tick button again. Then we're going to use these keypads over here to adjust that down. So first thing we do is take it all the way down to the left, and you can see that it has actually faded down to 0. It's what it's showing you now is what it's going to be in its default position. So this is how we want it, total darkness. And so we hit the tick button to accept that setting. If that's the only thing we need to change, then all we need to do is get out of there. Okay, so it returns to the standard default position. You can see it's still illuminated, but this illumination will fade. And if we drop the lights now, you'll see what happens. So depending on the timer, and there we have it. It's faded completely to black so that you can get a good night's sleep. Any more questions or anything you would like to know, please direct that to us in the office, and have a lovely day. We will see you in the next video. Please remember to subscribe to get more of these videos and how-to videos that we're going to try and produce on a daily basis. Until next time, see you later.